This is a soup recipe like no other. Well, okay, there might be other recipes like this, but let's pretend that there aren't, because our one is so good, you don't need anything else. This recipe is simple to make, it's delicious, it's packed with healthy protein and vitamin-loaded veggies. And it's a super cool one because it's not just your standard soup recipe. It's got an Asian influence and it has so much flavour. Plus it has the cool twist of adding eggs towards the end of cooking. We use eggs and tofu in this recipe to help bump up the protein content, but they both really add to the flavour of the dish too. Now this recipe is just one of many contained in our weekly meal plans, and we have both a weight loss and high protein version of it. Depending on your goals, you can go along with whichever one suits you best. You can find out more about our meal plans as well as the link to this recipe in the description and comment section below this video. So let's head to the Hurry the Food Up kitchen and get going. Add sesame oil to a pan to heat and then add ginger and garlic to it. Cook until they release their aromas and brown slightly. Then add the veggie broth, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sriracha, peas, carrots, and cauliflower florets. Mix until you have a consistent colour throughout the soup and then add the noodles. When the noodles are cooking but still have a little bite to them, then add the spinach. Cook until the spinach wilts and then add some beaten eggs. At this point, just leave the mixture for 1 to 2 minutes until the egg is cooked and then you can mix it in. Then top with some silken tofu and drizzle over some sesame oil to your liking. How good is that? Looks so fancy, but it's so easy to make. This is the kind of recipe that you need to pull out the next time you want to impress some friends. Or just yourself, because you deserve it. Now, if you like this recipe and want some more great ideas, then you should definitely watch this video here.